This will just be a short video of flipping the hull and doing a couple things that putting it back together, getting some parts on, and then flipping the hull over. So I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, I'm going to put my gaskets in for my centerboard. I'm going to wash it out first. I've got some pencil marks on the first three, and then on these three, and then I have the same thing down the other side. I'm going to put butyl caulk all the way around. Then I have my pieces marked the way they came off. So I'll put them back in place, and I've got a piece of 1/16 rubber, which I'll put in that gap, and then I'll slice it in half down the center after I'm finished. I've got two ways to make the holes in the rubber. I've got a mallet and an awl, and I've got a drill. I'm going to try the mallet and awl first because rubber doesn't drill real good, but we'll give it a try. And I'll put the butyl tape down, and we'll see how it goes, and I'll get back when I'm finished. Alright, I got them both on, and that was fairly easy, nothing to it. The awl worked the best. I didn't even have to try the drill. It popped right through there. Screws went right in, and everything went fine. I snapped a line in the center and just took a sharp razor knife and sliced them down the center. And we'll see how that works out. While I'm waiting for somebody to come help me flip the hull, I'll put a few more things back on. Give it a day or two for the paint to harden, and then we'll flip the hulls over. Well, we got her flipped over. We got the two sides bolted together. And now we're ready to start working on the hull in the next video. Thanks for watching.